Here I go again with my property tour, and today I have another beautiful property I'm going to show you, but this time the property is furnished. So the owners is still here, but it's going to be in the market and you guys are going to love it. The decor and the possibilities when the houses are staged. In this case, of course, someone is living in here, but that will give you an idea of what the buyers might, be looking at. The idea of a person walking into the house, that it has like a nice decoration, that is simple, that they can envision themselves on it. Welcome to 1308 Chanel Circle. So again, we are in Savanna, and this property is very particular. As you can see, the only thing you need is your toothbrush, and everything is just like nice and ready for you to sleep here tonight. What we have here is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, which is really, really unique. This house is a very popular model here in Weston, especially in Savanna, but you guys will see that they made some changes to the kitchen especially, which they made it super nice. What they did is, instead of taking the whole wall down, they kind of did this nice little bar here to the side, and of course they put the double oven on the wall, which is really nice. You have to see the quality of the cabinets, quality of the kitchen appliances and countertop. I love the flooring, and the first floor is the same throughout, the whole story. And also we will see in the second story that also the flooring is consistent in the whole space, which is amazing. Sometimes we make that mistake and we start changing, flooring and bedrooms. Well, no, maybe no mistakes, but you have to replace the floor and then you can find another one and then you have to use a different one. But in this case, everything is the same, so it looks very pretty. I want you to notice also that this model is also the one that you can include a 5th bedroom very easily towards the end of the family room, because the space is so big that it's only a wall that you need to build. You will have a full bedroom downstairs with a full bathroom that you can use for the pool as a cabana bathroom, and also for the visitors, or for this 5th bedroom if you want to do that. Laundry room, also very conveniently located right next to the to the garage and to that bathroom, the downstairs bathroom, which is the cabana bathroom I was mentioning to you. Let's go to the second floor. This is really well done. As you can see, the stair railing and this glass looks so good. It looks very modern, but at the same time it's just like nice and stylish. So the first thing that we have here is that other suite, because it has the bathroom inside, which I completely love. So this suite that we see first is not it's not the primary room. So you have this extra big space, very private. If you wanted to, if you had your in-laws or whatever. So they have the privacy and the convenience of having a bathroom inside the room. Details, again, throughout the house. They did an amazing job with the natural wood colors, and the details of the little nooks. This bathroom doesn't have a bathtub, which is great. Nowadays we see that less and less. Only those standalone that are more like decoration kind of thing. But yeah, it's not super popular. The bathtubs are just like, if you have little kids, they feel that they have, the space for a little pool, if you want to call it like that. And the second floor, we have the 2 air conditioner units. In this case, we have 2, one for upstairs, one for downstairs, which is really convenient when it comes to saving electricity, So what we have here is another full bathroom. This full bathroom is going to be used for these 2 rooms that we have next. You see they kind of like did the tile throughout the bathroom, which is nice, very easy to clean, and it looks pretty good though. I like the way it feels and the way it looks, looks pretty. These 2 next rooms are identical in size, so the windows are, you can see the backyard, which is really nice, the pool and everything, and also you have a good space, a good closet space. The rooms are pretty good. You can fit a queen bed here with 2 nightstands, and the space will still be like very comfortable. So I really like it. You see the spaces is just very generous and general. The house is so bright and so nice, you have no idea. It has a newer roof, of course. As you can see, the updates that they did were recently. Then at the end of the corridor we find the other AC unit, and we are heading to the primary bedroom. This bedroom, wow, you can see is very big. They even have a little space for their desk in here where you can also put the TV. but is a very decent size. Also see that the closets, you have two, his and hers. They are super cool. They did the California closet, so it's already ready for you and your clothes. Check it out. I love those barn doors. They look very, very nice. They save space, and I really love the way it looks. Now we are going to move to the bathroom. This is the primary bathroom, so of course it's the biggest, and I really, really like it. Very spacious. Again, they have this decoration top here, the standalone, but they're very consistent with the woodwork they put on all the bathrooms, and it looks really, really nice. A lot of space for you to put your, towels and your products and stuff like that. So I really, really like this bathroom. And I guess after this, we are ready to move to the backyard, which is my favorite part, and you are going to love it. Okay, now let's check the backyard in detail. House has impact windows. Pool was just resurfaced. Many amazing things, especially the community where it's located. So that's the most important thing. Location. I love the privacy. Enjoying with the friends here at this beautiful listing.